What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to import faces in EFC26. So back in the day you could actually import your own face and put it directly onto a player, but now that's technically not possible in the game anymore. However, there is still kinda workaround, a way to use your player across all game modes without having to recreate them every single time. Basically, you can use the face you already created in modes like Manager Career, Player Career and Clubs. That way, you can use it in multiple places and don't have to spend hours doing it all over again. Now to show you this quickly, go into Settings and then choose Create a Player. From here, you can pick either male or female depending on what kind of player you are creating. Once you are in, you will get the usual setup screen. You will have to fill out the standard info like name, nationality and so on. That's all normal. But when you reach the head section, this is where things get interesting. At the top, you will see all the imported faces you already made. In my case, I have only really made couple of faces, but this is where all your saved faces will show up. Now the skin tone and hair might change depending on what look you are going for, but overall, this section is where you will find all your extra faces ready to use. Just make sure you are editing the full head, not just parts of the face. Once that's done, you will see that all your saved versions appear here and you can use them across every mode. So after saving, if you head over to the career mode or manager mode and go to the head section again, those same imported faces will still be there. That means you can easily reuse the same player face every single time. So if you already spent time creating something detailed, like say 2013 Messi lookalike, you don't have to remake him from scratch. And that's pretty much it for now. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.